Hello everyone, for today's video I'm doing an eyebrow tutorial. I'm gonna be using a primer first on my eyebrow. I'm using LA Pro High Definition Smoothing Face Primer. I'm using a very clear primer para siyang aloe vera, yung katas ng aloe vera, and the smell is so good. Medyo sticky siya, hindi siya malabnaw. Then the next, I'm applying a foundation. I'm using Maybelline Fit Me in the shade of 108 Warm Nude. Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless. As you can see naman na I'm brushing the hair of my eyebrows using my spoolie brush. Kailangan sumunod yung hair ng eyebrows mo kung paano mo i-brush. And now I'm using LA Pro Made Brow in the shade of soft brown. It is very sticky and very pigmented. So when you apply, dapat kaunti lang siya para hindi siya ganun ka-strong ang kulay. Then you need to brush up the hair of your eyebrows, gaya ng ginawa ko kanina. Upper and lower side of your eyebrows. Then blend it all over your eyebrows. Then brush it using spoolie brush to emphasize the eyebrows on its shades. And then next, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shades of Porcelain. You need to use concealer on both sides of your eyebrows, lower and upper side, para ma-emphasize mabuti yung shape ng eyebrows mo. Just be careful while applying concealer kasi once na magkamali ka, iba na yung shape ng eyebrows mo. Then gagamit ako ng angle brush to clean the area of my eyebrows. Need to use angle brush para mas fit ang brush sa eyebrows while cleaning it. Honestly, this is the hardest part. Just kidding. And next, I'm gonna be using blending brush on the both sides of my eyebrows to clean the area, then blend it all over the eyebrows to emphasize the shape of my eyebrows. And then, uulitin ko ulit gamitin ang eyebrow gel para ma-shape ko lang yung eyebrows ko na mabuti. Then, you all need to do is blend it using the angle brush. And then gagamit ako ng liquid eyebrows from Careline para mas lalong maganda ang eyebrows ko. Sa mga ayaw namang gumamit nito, you don't need to. Pero for me, trip ko lang para madagdagan ng ganda ang aking eyebrows. Dapat kung mag-a-apply ka nito, dapat hindi masyadong hard para hindi siya dumikit sa skin mo. As you can see naman on the left side of my eyebrows, yan po ang natural eyebrow ko. I hope you enjoy watching this video and thank you for watching.